Om Shri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Hi my dear friends and my dear students. Today I am going to explain you the factorization of a cubic polynomial by using Vedic Sutra Ajyam Ajyena Antyam Antyena Anurupyena. The meaning of this sutra is Ajyam Ajyena means the ratio of first term to the first part and the last part to the last term. Anurupyena, that means the ratios are equal. Let us see this sutra with the help of an example. Consider a cubic polynomial x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. So, in this method, we have to divide the middle two terms in such a way that the ratio of the first term to the first part and the last part to the last term, those two ratios are equal. Not only that, the remaining two terms, their ratios are also equal to the ratio of these two terms. Let us see. I am going to write the polynomial like this, rewrite the polynomial like this, x cube. 6x square, I am dividing it as x square plus 5x square. And 11x I am dividing it as 5x plus 6x plus 6. Now the total 4-term polynomial it is divided into 6-term polynomial. Now, if you observe the first term, the coefficient of first term and the coefficient of the first part, that what we have divided, the ratio is 1:1. And coming to the last part and the last term, their ratio is 6:6, that is 1:1. And if you observe the middle terms, their ratio is 5:5, which is also 1:1. That means all these ratios are same, that is Anurupyena, they are equal. So, now we can do the factorization easily by taking x square common in first two terms, 5x plus 5x common in next two terms, plus 6 common in last two terms. Now, if you observe this polynomial again, we can take x plus 1 common in total. So, the remaining is x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, we got two polynomials here which we know these two are the factors of the given cubic polynomial. The factorization is not done yet. There is a quadratic polynomial over here and we have to divide this one also into product of its factors. So, what we have to do? Again we have to apply Ajyam Ajyena Antyam Antyena Sutra by dividing 5x into two parts such that the ratio of first two parts is equal to the ratio of last two parts. So, I am going to divide this 5x as 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now, if you observe here, the ratio of first two parts is 1:3 and the ratio of last two parts is also 1:3. So, I can take it as x plus 3 as one of its factors and the remaining x plus 2 is the third factor. So, in this way, we can find out the factorization for a cubic polynomial by using Ajyam Ajyena Antyam Antyena Sutra. Let us consider another example. Which is x cube minus 2x square minus 23x plus 16. Now, again we have to do the same what we have done with the first example. We have to divide these two terms into parts such that the ratios of first two terms, second two terms and third two terms are same. So, x cube minus 3x square plus x square minus 3x minus 20x plus 60. I am dividing like this. Now I have to observe whether the ratios are equal or not. Here the ratio 1:3, 1:3. Here also 1:3. All the ratios are equal. Anurupyena. Now I can take x square common in first two terms. X minus 3 is remaining. X common in next two terms. X minus 3 is remaining. Minus 20 common in last two terms. X minus 3 is remaining. If you observe this, we can take x minus 3 common in all the terms. and the remaining is x square plus x minus 20. The factorization not done yet. The quadratic polynomial is remains here. So again we have to apply the sutra Adyam Adyena Antyam Antyena. So x minus 3, again I am dividing this 1 into 2 parts, x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. Now observe here, the ratio of these two terms is 1:5. And the ratio of coefficient of these two terms is minus 4 by minus 20, that is 1:5. So ratios are equal. So I am going to write the factors. If I take x common here, I will get x plus 5. And minus 4 common here, x plus 5. So the factors are x minus 3, x minus 4 and x plus 5. So my dear friends, I think you understood this concept very well. Dhanyavad.